Thank you very much. What a pleasant surprise.
The check that they gave us is something that we will use to promote the peace in the city, I guess, get back to it. Because we had a peaceful march on June the 14th, and it proved that everybody's on board. They all want to get along. We all want to work together.
It's a very big day, I would say, that JDI selected Prude to donate this check. This will really help Prude to work on the things they work with and promote diversity in the city and bring peace and love in the city. So I feel very proud to be working with JDI, with such a big organization that really cares for organizations that go out into the city and town and help people bring diversity and inclusion in the city.